Today we are going to plant incredibly beautiful tulips in pots. And in this video, I want to tell you how we've been doing this for the past few years and talk about why we do it. You might wonder, if you already have two large flower beds planted with tulip bulbs, why plant a few more in pots? There are actually at least two reasons for this. First of all, on the flower beds, in open ground, tulip bulbs will bloom later, while in pots they will bloom earlier. That's the first reason. And secondly, we can place the pots wherever we want at any given time. We will plant 15 tulip bulbs in a large pot like this. Be sure to have good drainage at the bottom. Be sure to use well-drained, airy, moisture-permeable soil or a peat substrate. In our case, it's rich soil. You shouldn't use regular garden soil for growing bulb flowers in pots, because the bulbs can rot, get waterlogged, and so on. No drainage holes will help if the soil isn't loose, so loose soil is the most important thing. These are the tulips we'll be planting. 15 bulbs, as I said, or 10 bulbs. Ice cream tulips. This is what they look like. Red at the bottom, white on top. It really does look like ice cream, which is why it's called ice cream. And 5 bulbs of ice cream banana. So red at the bottom, but instead of white, the top is yellow. We'll place them in a small circle. But let's get started. Let's add a bit of good black soil, since our land is generous but less than the volume of the pot. It's okay if it's just a small amount, basically. It won't do any harm. Look how light the soil turned out. We fill the pot 2/3 full. Press it down. Carefully, not too hard, but you still need to compact the surface where we'll be placing the bulbs. Let's evenly arrange the outer circle in the pot. The depth should be about 15 centimeters, covering the bulbs. Now we'll arrange them and of course cover them from above. Just like that. That's the outer circle and 5 bulbs of ice cream banana. They will go in the center. If you happen to have any other delightful bulbs, such as charming muscari or vibrant crocuses, you can certainly add them into the mix as well, placing them carefully as a final decorative top layer. There you go. We've arranged everything. It looks very beautiful. If you imagine how this will look in the spring, in April, I can already see how beautiful it will be here. But for now, this is how everything looks. We cover it from above. That's it. The careful and precise planting of the beautiful tulip bulbs in the pot is now completely finished. Next, what should you do with this pot? Where should you store it? There are several options. The first option is to place it in a greenhouse if you have one. We place it in the greenhouse, but then you need to watch carefully so that the soil in the pot doesn't dry out. In other words, keep it at a sufficiently moist level. That's important. You can place it outside, but you can't just set it somewhere on the lawn like that. The soil will freeze and the bulbs might freeze as well. So either bury it, just dig a planting hole, insert the pot, and press the soil around it a bit. That's it. It stays there until spring. Then when you go into the greenhouse to grow seedlings, you take it out in advance and put it in a warm place, so that it starts to develop and send up stems earlier than those tulips we've planted in the flower beds. That's what I wanted to share in this video about this wonderful method of planting tulips in pots for their very early blooming. This is where I'll end the video. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.